Alright guys, I'm going to do a review. I got this pizza Oggi crust. This is their butternut squash crust, and as you can see, it's vegan. Here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read, pause the video. There we go. Alright, here's the nutrient panel. Okay. And I picked up the cheese. Vegan cheese. Here we go, if you guys want to read the ingredients, right there. Alright, I'm gonna make a pizza out of it, and I'll do a quick taste test and see how well it actually works together. Alright. Alright guys, there it is, all done. So I put it in the air fryer, and if you look, the cheese does melt. And it's... So let's do a quick taste test and see actually what it tastes like. So here's the pepperoni. Okay, I'm gonna rip a piece off. Alright, so here we go. Okay, that crust, this pizza Oggi crust, is very fluffy. Surprisingly good. I don't taste the butternut squash though, just to let you know. The cheese from the Daiya, it melts. It has it doesn't have a sharp cheddar taste, but you can taste it. It's actually a pretty good cheddar taste, I would say. So definitely check it out as well. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video.